In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use max and min to find extremes in Google Sheets on desktop. If you're working with a column of numbers and you want to quickly see the highest or lowest value, the max and min functions make that effortless. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each part means, and share a few helpful tips so you get accurate results every time. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. This will be the cell that displays either the maximum or the minimum value from your chosen range. It's a good idea to pick a blank cell outside your data so the result is easy to see and doesn't overwrite anything important. To find the largest number in your range, type an equal sign and then the function x max b2 b10. Replace b2 b10 with the actual range that contains your numbers. The letter represents the column, and the numbers represent the rows. The colon indicates a continuous block of cells, from the first cell to the last. If it helps, you can click the first cell in your data, hold Shift, and click the last cell to quickly select the range, and Sheets will fill it in for you. When your formula looks right, press Enter. The cell you selected will now show the largest value in that range. To find the smallest number, use the same idea with the min function. Click the cell where you want the smallest value to appear, then type equal min b2 b10. Again, replacing b2 b10 with your actual data range. Press Enter, and that cell will display the smallest value in the selected range. Make sure your range includes only the cells you want analyzed. If your data grows or moves, simply adjust the range inside the parentheses. For example, if you add more rows, change B2B10 to something like B2B100 or whatever matches your current data. If your first row contains a header, keep it out of the range to avoid errors or unexpected results. Max and min will ignore text automatically, but it's best to point them exactly where the numbers live. Finally, double-check that your cells contain numeric values rather than numbers stored as text. If a value isn't showing up as expected, look for stray spaces or formatting issues. With these steps, you'll quickly surface the highest and lowest values in your sheet and keep your analysis accurate and up to date.